Rachel, and today I am back with a video that I'm very excited to film. I've been waiting for this to arrive all day. This is my Josephine Bow Designs advent calendar. I have had this for the past 2 years running. This is my third one, and the previous 2 years were absolutely amazing, so I have just as high hopes for this one. I love everything from Josephine Bow Designs. So it came in this pretty big pink box. I've just covered up my address and the shop address on the top there, and when we open it up, so I haven't looked in here and I haven't watched any unboxing. There are a couple already on YouTube. I've not watched them, I've not looked at any pictures, I've stayed away, so this can be my natural reaction, but I have just quickly opened the box off the camera. So thank you for choosing a Josephine Bow advent calendar. So first of all, I'll tell you the price point on this one. This advent calendar was £65. It was £71.50 including P&P, but we don't add P&P to the value of the advent calendar. You don't get your P&P back in the value of an advent calendar, do you? So yeah, £65 I paid for this, and I'm sure that there is more than £65 worth of value in here. So I know that there is something in this box that is not wrapped, and it's the theme of the box in the bottom. Look at this. I like this. So, what do we have in here? Let's take this out and let's pop that on the table and get in here. Okay, so let's move all... Ooh! I'm squealing already. Let's move all the worms. The lovely, colourful... Oh, I can see. I can see something. Get all the worms out the way. All the way. I have hoovered this morning. I don't know what for. Okay, so... Oh, it's got my name on it! Oh. Guys, don't watch this video too loud, especially if you've got earplugs in. Okay, so we have got a Hobonichi Weeks sized album with my name on it. So I think then this is going to be the colour scheme for the advent calendar. Oh, I love it. Oh, it's so beautiful. I mean, you know me, if it's going to be pastel and it's going to be rainbow and it's going to have holographic and it's got my name on it, I'm going to love it. So we have got that there. We have also got a Hello 2022 washi card, which is really cute. I love that. I love a good washi card. And then we have got the main event. We have got this holographic envelope, which is tied up with a pretty little ribbon. I'm going to get in here. And let's save the ribbon as well. I can use that as a bookmark on something. Okay, so let's open this up. I've got no nails because I've bitten them all off, so I can't get in. Oh, I see envelopes. So this is a 24-day advent calendar. I have got 24 different envelopes here, and we start with number 1 and we move our way to number 24. So let's start with this one. Oh my goodness, this is a very sticky envelope. Making sure all my stuff is safe. Alright, what do we have in here? So, ooh, day number 1, we have a really cute vinyl. Oh, I hope this is the theme, like moons and stars and clouds. Oh, that's gorgeous. That is going straight on one of my planners when I set one up, which, by the way, will be coming soon, my setup videos for my planners. Moving on to day number 2 then. We have got... Oh, I love these transparent monthly stickers. I love transparent stickers, and I know that I've said before on my channel that I'm a huge fan of paint stripe type stickers, and that is what these are. Loving the colour for this theme. I know that I'm going to love everything in this advent calendar. This is so me. It's like me in a box. Number 3. Joanne, did you buy the stickiest envelopes ever? I think you did. Did you do this on purpose? Day number 3, we have got, oh, a mini kit. Okay, so I should say that I chose this advent calendar in standard vertical, which is the box size. You could also get this in Hobonichi Week size. I do have both planners. I have a standard vertical and I have a print brush and weeks, and I also have my Salogy, which I use standard vertical kits in. So yeah, we have got a mini kit which has got all the essentials to make a super cute spread. It is the theme, isn't it? Look at the clouds again. I love it. Gorgeous. Day number 4. Oh, look at these. Day number 4, we've got some fold over stickers. These are cool. So if you haven't seen stickers like this before, you write on the the right side over here. On this particular sticker it looks like a planner, and then you fold them over so that this ends up being the cover on the top, and it's like a little peekaboo. You can write secret notes that nobody can see. Very cute. Day number 5. We have got something in cellophane. Oh, we've got a die cut. How cute is that? Love that. Adorable. Day number 6. We have got, oh, we've got tabs. We've got tabs. We've got flag tabs in this gorgeous colourway. Look at the foiling. The foiling is always so immaculate. That is gorgeous. Then we have got day number 7. I'm going to try and keep these stickies as well, these little number stickies. I have got a little project coming up that these are going to be very handy for. Day number 7 then, what do we have in here? Day number 7, we've got a kit. We have got a kit. Ooh. So we've got some muted blues, we've got some pastel pinks in like a 70s flower theme. I love this. I love this. So we've already got a kit and we're only on day 7. Day number 8. Eee, it's like Christmas already. We have got in here, oh, we've got some checklists again on the transparent. I love how you've got circles, stars and the squares in the different colours, and you've got the same for each. I like that. Oh, they're going to be useful in my Salogy. Then we have got day number 9. I'm making a huge mess off camera that you can't see. Joanne didn't tell me I needed to do a workout before opening this advent. Oh my god. Oh, look at these. Oh, those top ones are my favourite. They're like watercolour. So we've got 3 different sets of date covers. These are stunning, absolutely gorgeous. Oh, I love those. I love how when Joanne does this advent calendar, she does all separate sheets that you can use separately, but you can put them together to make a spread. There's a plan with me up on my channel somewhere using some of the sheets from last year's advent calendar, and it made a gorgeous spread. I'll have to try and find it and link it above. So we have got some script stickers. We have got gorgeous script stickers. I love that script. I love that font. And they've all got a little star accent on them. How cute is that? Day number 11 then. Day number 11, we have got some boxes, some half boxes. These are gorgeous. So we've got ones on this side with a little bow accent, and then the ones on this side with a little scatter of holographic foil. Beautiful. Let's move on to day number 12. Oh, tabs, tabs, tabs. We've got cloud tabs. These are so pretty. Oh, I love these. Okay, let's move on to number 13 then. I'm so excited already. I've had so much good stuff and I've still got half the calendar left. We have got, oh, icons. We have got some icons. I've never seen these before. Lots of different things. All foiled in the holographic foil. Love those. I like the size of them as well. I don't like it when we get icons in things that are too small. Sometimes shops do kits and they'll put icons in them just to fill in a space, but they're too tiny and I can't use them. They look daft in a big planner. Oh, on day number 14 that I didn't even tell you that I was opening, we have got some washi strips, and this is absolutely gorgeous. So if you wanted to use the mini kit that you got before, but you weren't going to use it in a print press and weeks because you've got some smaller washi strips in there that would be perfect for that, you've got these now that you can pair with it and use in a bigger planner. That is so cool. Day number 15. In day number 15, we have got a mini kit, another mini kit. So we've got our date covers, we've got some checklists, we have got some functional boxes and some page flags and a little tracker, everything that you need to make a cute little spread. I love the colourway on this, So cute. So much foiling. Look at all that foil. There's a ton of foil on there. That's gorgeous. Then we've got day number 16. In day number 16 we have got, oh, we've got some functional bits to make a kit with all the little other sheets that you get. So I love these and I love these. I just love it all. I just love it all. We've got some smaller page flags and some large page flags. We've got some corner stickers. I love that one at the bottom. The little ombre colourway. Cute. Really, really pretty. I love those. Then we've got day number 17. Oh, we've got some headers. We have got lots of sparkly headers. Oh, and this time we've got some moons in the foiling as well. Look at all that foil and all of it is perfect. Absolutely gorgeous. Then we've got day number 18. Oh, I can already see that whatever this is, it's got overlay on it. It's got some kind of sparkly overlay on it. Ah! Damn you, sticky envelopes! Tabs! We've got tabs, we've got tabs. Oh, these are my favourite. I buy these tabs all the time. Not in this colourway because these are Advent exclusive, but this style of tab are in the shop in different colours and I buy them all the time. They are one of my favourites. I love it. I love it so much. I'll tell you what I like about a shop. When they do an advent calendar, and even though it's stuff that's exclusive to the advent calendar, it's still very similar to stuff that they sell in their shop, so that if you've got it, because there would be nothing worse than opening an advent calendar, finding something that you absolutely loved, and then going into the shop and finding out that it's not a product that they sell, because I'd be like, well, why did you do that? I want stuff that I know that I can find similar things in the other items in the shop. So day number 19, we have got these gorgeous memo board type stickers. I love these. Can you see how it's all coming together, and everything that I'm getting is going to make a really cute spread in my Stalogy. We've got day number 20, and in here we have got, oh, this is different. We've got a word of the year sticker. Oh, I love that. And then we've got goals for 2022. That's something different and I love that. I've not seen that before. Then we've got day number 21. What do we have in here? Oh, whatever it is looks exciting. We have got, oh my goodness, a January calendar, and look how cute that is. That's that watercolour paint swatch that I love. So that's my theme for my January Stalogy setup then, if you wanted a sneak peek. It's going to be this. How cute is that? I love that. I feel like this advent calendar was just made for me, like literally made for me. We've got day number, what are we on? 22. Day number 22, we have got some transparent stickers with some sort of watercolour paint stripes on this side, and then the little, what would you call them, like paint blobs? Really good for layering, really good for layering. Love those. Then we've got day number 23. Oh, a vinyl. We've got a bow in like a little daisy border. I love that. That is so cute. And then we have got day number 24. What do we have in day number 24? I'm sad this is the last one. I'm so sad. Oh, I'm not sad because I can see a tiny sneak peek there and I think it's adorable. Oh my god, these envelopes. I've probably edited out most of the envelope shenanigans, but let me tell you, I've been like this with every envelope. Okay, day number 24. Love it, love it, love it. We've got a kit. So we have got, oh, look at that. The most beautiful pastel dreamy kit with stars and holographic goodness, and I love it. I love that so much. So that completes my unboxing of the 2021 Advent Calendar from Josephine Bow Designs. I think you will agree that it is all absolutely stunning. The colours are gorgeous, they're so me. It couldn't have been any more me. So just to sum up then, this Advent Calendar was £65 to buy. Unfortunately, it's not available in the shop anymore. These do sell out really, really quickly. So £65 to buy, and I just quickly asked Joanne what the total value of the items in the shop. Now, you can't buy these items in Joanne's shop. These are Advent exclusives, but there are lots of things in the shop that you can buy that are very similar in different colourways, and if you were to do that, your total in your cart would be more than £90. So I think you will agree that that is great value for money. I was going to do that thing that I do where I put them over to the side of things that I don't like and things that I do like, but it's completely pointless because I love everything, genuinely. I genuinely love everything. Just a quick note as well, you guys know that I PR for Joanne over at Josephine Bow Designs, but I did buy this Advent Calendar with my own money, and I will always give you my honest opinion on everything. You guys know that. I'm not just going to say I love something because I PR for a shop. I just wouldn't put the Advent up if I didn't love it. So let's see then. If I can't tell you what I will use and what I won't use, because I'm going to use everything, what is my favourite? Oh, that is a tough choice. Also, as well, you should note that actually the Advent Calendar is this. These were extra things in the box as well. You've got your 24 days down here, and you've got this album and this washi card as an extra in the box. I think the album, is the album my favourite? I'm a sucker for an album. It's a possible. It's a possible. What else? Tabs. Tabs. All day long, tabs. Everything. Just everything. Anyway, on that note, I'm going to disappear before I go on about this all day. If you like this video, if you can give me a thumbs up, and if you subscribe, I love you forever, and I'll see you soon. Bye!